friends, my name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and thanks to God that we can see some retracement on the chart. Last week was surprising, rather shocking when market made the high of 2195 and thousands of traders were holding sell position and they were just praying to God that okay, the market just show some retracement and finally we can see some retracement. At present, market is standing at 2178. This is the current market price. But if we look at the chart of gold, still there is no sign of reversal yet. Trend reversal is a different thing. Retracement is a different thing. And what we see on the chart right now is just a retracement. No confirmation about trend reversal yet. Because for a trend reversal, fundamental factors are important. And if we look at the market sentiment, okay, then we do not see any trend reversal yet. If you look at the news also, you can see gold rise amid bullish sentiment. This is an old news from Saturday. Dollar slides and gold gains on soft US unemployment report. So this is the overall market sentiment. We do not have any fundamental factors as of now that will bring a complete trend reversal on gold. So if you are holding a sell, my dear friend, then please be careful. Try to exit at retracement. Sometimes we feel that how can I exit with so much loss? But if you do not exit at the right moment, you may also lose your capital. Losing 50% of the capital, 60% of the capital is better instead of losing your whole capital. Okay, and from next time onwards, please try to work on your exit strategy and your risk management. And as I was saying that without a fundamental factor or backing of a news, trend reversal is not possible. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that today we don't have any news. Tomorrow we have inflation rates coming up. So this may bring some volatility to the market, but today we can expect that the present market sentiment will be dominating. Okay, and if you look at the chart of US dollar index, then things have not changed. Dollar index is though it is trying to recover, but things are not positive. If dollar index shows some upside, you may get to see some retracement on gold, euro USD, GBP USD and others, but you cannot expect a trend reversal on DXY as well. Once DXY will hit 103 to 103.20, it will be facing resistance again. And in this present market situation, there's a high chance that DXY will be reversing again from this area. And if DXY fails to go up, then obviously DXY will be going down. In that case, the next support of DXY is around 102.102 level. And things are so bearish right now, we can just expect a minor bounce for 4 to 5 hours and then DXY will be going down again. So we need a fundamental factor that will provide support, that will come for rescue for DXY. And now let's look at the chart of gold. So again, I'm repeating, if you're holding a sell, try to exit at retracement, because after taking a support, if market bounces back, things will be really difficult for you again. And last week we made good profit simply by buying at breakout. So buy at breakout strategy still remains on the chart for us. And what is the strategy? Means if market breaks 2200, we can look for a buy. But unlike other levels, okay, 2200 is a critical level. So if market breaks also 2200 today, do not go for a buy immediately. Just wait for some time, wait for 4 to 5 hours and just see the market behavior, because in this type of critical levels, okay, sometimes what do we see is that okay, after breaking out, market again coming down again, so it may be a false breakout as well. So once you'll see after 4 to 5 hours the market is trading comfortably, then you can go for a buy position. And today we don't have any news also. If the volume of the market remains very low, then try to avoid. Okay, 2200, the buy at breakout strategy still is there, okay, but this time we need to be careful. So if you're looking for fresh position, buy at breakout is the first trading strategy for you. And as you already know that I am a trend lover, so if market comes down for retracement, that is a better and safer trading strategy for us. So if market shows some retracement, then 2150 or around 2150. It can be 2151, it can be 214847. Around this area we have the best level to go for a buy, 2150 or around 2150, because of the 100 moving average. 2150 is a round number. Along with that, we have the previous resistance acting as support. So 2150 is the best area where we can look for a buy. Below 2150 we have 2123 or 2123, 2120. This area is also a good level where we have the previous resistance acting as support. Or these are the two areas of the market where we can look for a good bounce as a uh, day trader, as a swing trader. But market has been so bullish that market is not coming for proper retracement. So you can also observe the market around 2164 to 2162. Around this area you can also observe the market, or you can also make it 2160 as well. So around this area, same stuff. You can see we have, this is a trending market. We have previous resistance working as support. Along with that, we have the 50 moving average. During the day, if 50 moving average goes up, okay, you can just observe the market around 216566 as well. These moving averages are dynamic level, dynamic support and resistances, so they keep on changing. So I'm making this video in the Asian session, so it is showing me 2163, 2164. If you observe the market on US session, maybe you will see a different number. So 50 moving average, you can add on your setup or Scrum or in your tradingview.com as well. Okay, so this is another level where you can look for a buy if market doesn't come for proper retracement. For example, if you can see right now that the size of the candles are very small, means there is not much volume in the market. So in this type of situation, especially during the Asian session, European session, 2164 or around 2164, we also have the support. And if you're wondering what is going on right now at present, let me show you. So for that, we need to move to a lower time frame, and you can see this is the 15-minute chart of gold. So on the 15-minute chart of gold, my dear friend, you can see that we have a trend line. And personally, I'm not a big fan of trend line these days. Okay, but still I cannot deny the fact that market is trying to take some dynamic support around this area. So if you have taken a buy, you can be on the trade as well. But personally, I have not taken any position, because right at the opening of the market, I do not prefer to take any position. I have a buy limit at 2150, and if market comes down to 2164, I would like to observe. I'm not very confident about 2164 because 2150 is a better level. And if you have taken a buy around 217877, you can be on the trade as of now, because we have a trend line. But personally, I'm not taking any position. So let's wait and watch. Overall, the market is still bullish. We do not have any news about the trend reversal yet. So if you're looking for fresh position, if you had a profitable week, okay, then okay, the strategy remains the same. Follow the trend. Trend is your friend. And when we will get a confirmation about a trend reversal by observing the structure of the market, then obviously we will have to follow the trend again, trend reversal again. But as of now, things are still positive for gold, though gold failed to break the 2200, but still we cannot deny the market is bullish. Okay. And lastly, again I'm repeating, if you are holding a sell, be careful with your sell position. If you get any chance to exit, please try to exit. Do not lose your capital. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.